Right now is the perfect moment. The universe gave you 60 seconds. Let's sound fluent fast. Wanna, gonna, gotta. Ready? I know you've been stuck with want to, going to, got to. We've all been there. Let me walk with you, step by step, into fluent rhythm. Don't hold back, say it strong. I wanna try. I'm gonna call. I gotta go. Feel your voice. This is your power. Now at natural speed. Not perfect, just real. Each word flows because it's you. You don't copy English, you embody it. I want to try. I'm gonna call. I gotta go. Final round, faster, no pause. I want to try. I'm gonna call. I gotta go. You made it. That's victory in your voice. Breathe. You did it in 1 minute. Fluent energy is already inside you. Calm, clear, natural. Pause for a moment. Can you feel it? That fluency was never outside you. It was always here. Today you just woke it up. Save this video, shadow it daily. Every time you repeat, you align with rhythm, the same rhythm the universe runs on.